Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting because I'm going to be giving my first impressions on this brand which has recently launched on Nykaa. It's e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about it, but I guess it's the most awaited launch on Nykaa, and I just got so excited that I thought I should just buy some of the products and review or just give a first impressions to you guys. So I didn't really receive any products in the PR, so I just went ahead and bought it from my own money. And yeah, before we get started with the video, please make sure that you guys have subscribed to my channel and also hit the bell icon besides it. Please subscribe for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And now let's get right into the video. As you can see, I've already done my base makeup because I don't have any base products from e.l.f. So I thought I should just save some time and do it off camera. Now let's get started. So I have 4 products from e.l.f. I didn't really went crazy and bought a lot of products. I just bought whatever I genuinely needed. So first let's talk about the pricing of the products. I paid in total around 1900 rupees for 4 products, and I really thought that it was not worth it. Obviously I haven't tried the products yet, but just by looking at the size of the products, I just felt like 1900 was a little too much for these products. I'm going to open it and show it to you guys. So first let's talk about the pricing of these products. So for 4 products I paid 1900 rupees, and I honestly think that it is a little too pricey considering the size of the products. I'm going to open it and show it to you guys later. But the pricing kind of shocked me because I resonate e.l.f. Cosmetics with Wet n Wild, so I thought that the pricing is gonna be something of that sort. Like Wet n Wild is so cheap and so inexpensive, and they have great quality products. So I was expecting e.l.f. Cosmetics to be as cheap as Wet n Wild, but the prices are not very cheap. The lip gloss is for 400, which is still fine. Then I got the monochromatic multi-stick. This one is in the shade Luminous Berry, and this one is for so this multi-stick is for 600 rupees, which is slightly expensive. And then I got a liquid glitter eyeshadow, which is for 700 rupees, and this one I thought was the most expensive because it is this tiny of a product. It is very tiny. Then I also got this Wow Brow volumizing fiber gel. It's for your eyebrows, and this one is for 600 rupees. Again, if you see the product, it is this tiny, and I thought that these products were genuinely really expensive thing, but obviously we can see after trying, hopefully they're worth it after trying. So I immediately bought these products on the launch day, and they had a launch day offer which was buy 3 get 1 free, something of that sort. So this lip gloss was absolutely free, so I think that was a really great offer. Now let's try all of these products. I'm gonna start with this monochromatic multi-stick. This is in the shade Luminous Berry. So this is a cream product which can be used in so many different ways. You guys can see it's such a tiny product, and it's for what, 600 rupees. I'm gonna show you guys how much product it has. So this is how much product you get. I'm a little disappointed, but it's okay. Let's just try the product. So this is a multi-purpose stick which you can use it on your eyes, cheeks, lips, anywhere, and it's a great travel size product. I feel I'm definitely gonna travel with it. I'm gonna travel day after tomorrow, so I'm gonna take this with me if it works really well. So it looks like it has some glitter particles in it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Yeah, it sort of looks glittery, so I'm a little scared about that. And this is how the shade looks like. You guys can see this color is reflecting a little bit, so I'm a little scared. I don't want my texture to get exaggerated because of this product. So I'm just gonna directly apply this on my cheeks and blend it using my fingers. I think this will do the job of a highlighter as well, hopefully, because it looks so sparkly. and the color is so pretty. I think this comes in 3 different shades, and this one is the darkest shade, and I feel this is the like one shade that would suit a lot of different Indian skin tones. So I went ahead and bought this one only. I think it looks really pretty. More than the color, I like the luminous finish. Even though it has a lot of glitter and shimmer, it's not something that is exaggerating. It looks so beautiful. Reminds me of my MAC Extra Dimension blush. That one is also like as shimmery and as luminous as this one. Let's apply this on the other cheek. And it's also not shifting my foundation or my concealer or anything of that sort. So I like that about this product. You really have to build this product up. It's not something that will like throw a lot of pigment on your face. So I like that thing about this product. If you guys come up close and see, like it's reflecting a lot, and also there's a little bit of color as well on my cheeks, which is something that I really like. Let's use this on my eyes and see. Okay, this looks really beautiful. Now let's move on to eyebrows. I have this Wow Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I've heard so many good things about this product. I've watched a couple of videos, a lot of bloggers like using this product, and it looks very promising. I'm a little disappointed about the size of this product. Like it's so tiny. It is so tiny. So this is how it looks like. It is very tiny. It has 3.5 grams of product. I don't know if it's a standard amount of product, but it is just very travel friendly. I think all of these products are so travel friendly because they're very tiny. So I'm very excited to see how this one works. By the way, this one is in the shade Deep Brown, and as you can see, it has these fiber particles inside this brow mascara, and it's just supposed to fill in your eyebrows. It's like an eyebrow mascara. So I'm not gonna fill my eyebrows using an eyebrow pencil. I'm just using this product on its own. Okay, right off the bat, I'm really loving this product. Can you guys see the difference between both of my eyebrows? I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera, but in real life, it looks more set and just more precise. I'm really impressed by this product. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. It reminds me of the NYX eyebrow mascara that I used to use, and I used to love that so much. It came in like a bigger bottle. But this one is definitely gonna be more travel friendly. Now I'm quickly gonna do my eyeshadow so that I can use the liquid eyeshadow on top of it. So let's get started. Done with the rest of the eyeshadow. Now for my entire lid, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Copper Pop. So they had a bunch of different colors, but I think this is the kind of color that would go with like everything, and it's something that I see myself using a lot, even for like weddings and events. And this is how it looks like. I think the packaging is so cute. This is how it looks like. And this is actually my first liquid eyeshadow. I've never really bought a liquid eyeshadow. I know it's surprising. This is how it looks like. It is so stunning and it's so reflective. It's like very sparkly. Doesn't have a lot of color to it. Like there's not a lot of pigment, but I can see more glitter and sparkle. And it's gonna be so beautiful. So I'm gonna apply this all over my lid. Blending it using my finger. I'm just tapping the eyeshadow so that there are no harsh edges. So So this is how it looks like. It has a lot of chunky gold glitter, so that looks so beautiful. And also I realized that it genuinely doesn't have a lot of pigment, so if you want, you can apply a powder eyeshadow as a base, or you can just top it off with a powder eyeshadow. I think it looks so great. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, which is in my James Charles palette. This is again like a pressed glitter eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna pick this on my finger and just tap it on top of this eyeshadow. And yes, I think that gave it a lot more color and pigment. I'm done with the rest of my makeup. I also added a little bit of more this blush, and I think it looks very pretty. Now we're only left with lips. So I have the e.l.f. lip lacquer. This is in the shade Moody, and this is how it looks like. Again, they had a bunch of colors in these lip glosses. They also had a plumping lip gloss, but I just wanted to buy a regular one. This one is priced at 400 rupees, which I feel is not bad. It's really affordable. I think this particular shade would look really good on all like wheatish to dusky skin tones. So let's try it. I'm first gonna use my lip pencil from PAC. This one is in the shade brown, and I'm just gonna line my lips first. This is how the applicator looks like, and it's a pretty standard lip gloss applicator. And this is how the shade Moody looks like. Looks like it has it is quite sheer, so I think I might need a lipstick underneath it. So I'm using the Nykaa So Creme lipstick in the shade Wake Up Makeup. So this is the final makeup look using all e.l.f. Cosmetics products. I'm really in love with this makeup look. I'm gonna share which products are my favorite. First, let's talk about e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick. It feels like children's makeup, but honestly I really love how the product actually is. It looks so luminous, and you guys can see how my cheeks are like reflecting to the light. It looks very pretty. So for a no makeup look, and if you guys need an on the go product, then this is definitely worth it. I really like it. The next product is this Wow Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I'm absolutely in love with this. Like, this is my next favorite product. It is generally something that I see myself using every single day whenever I do my makeup. So this is like, this has to be my most favorite makeup product out of everything that I've tried. I love it so much, and it is genuinely worth it. Like, if you guys find it on a really good deal, buy it. It's definitely worth every money. This product is this liquid glitter eyeshadow. My second favorite out of all the products that I've tried. Really love it. I don't have anything that is close to this product in my collection. It has some really chunky glitter particles in it. It does not have a lot of pigment, but the glitter is so beautiful. My eyeshadow looks so glammed. I guess this product was for 700 or 800 rupees, and I think it is slightly expensive for one eyeshadow. For 700-800 rupees, you can buy an eyeshadow palette with 10 different eyeshadows. So yeah, I do feel that it is slightly expensive, but now that I have this product with me, I really love it. But the last product is this lip gloss by e.l.f. My first impressions is that it is a great product. It feels really nice on the lips, very lightweight on the lips. But by just trying this product once, I cannot really say that I love this product. But for 400 rupees, not at all bad. It has a bunch of different colors. Do try this out. I'll still keep you guys updated about how I feel about this product. But so far so good. I don't hate this product. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and do let me know if you guys have tried any of these e.l.f. products. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, all the product links are in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And if you guys found the video helpful, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!